Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. Today I am doing a fun spring side dish, broccoli cheese salad. I make a few twists to the original recipe, and I'm going to put all the ingredients, the original recipe ingredients, and my twist ingredients into the description below. Super easy side dish, goes great for potlucks, family get-togethers, perfect with weeknight dinner. If you're looking for some dinner ideas, recently we've done sourdough barbecue chicken sandwiches that were so good, chili cheese tater tot casserole. My kids are picky eaters. Broccoli is one vegetable I could usually get them to eat, especially if I'm throwing in cheese. So this is a big hit in our family. And I have 2 broccoli heads chopped up into small florets. Bite size. I try to make mine kind of bite size. Nobody likes trying to cram huge pieces of broccoli in, especially if your kids are eating it. So bite size, I'd say this is probably about 4 to 5 cups of chopped up broccoli. We are going to add in about, I don't know, 1/4 cup or so of diced red onion. I am going to add in 1/2 cup of walnuts, packed with all that good healthy stuff. Honestly, I'm just going to take a handful, throw them in. My husband really likes this to take along for his work lunch also. One of the things that you can put in this recipe is raisins or cranberries. I like to do raisins myself. I'm going to do about 1/2 cup. Not even measuring. I'm just going to grab some raisins here. It's about right. Sometimes I add crumbled up bacon into this salad. I totally forgot to do the bacon today, so I'm just going to omit it. I would usually use maybe 4 to 6 slices of nicely cooked crumbled bacon. I'm going to add in about 2 handfuls of cheese cubes. Again, my kids like the cheese. You can feel free to dice these in half if you like. I prefer to skip that step. And then we're going to do our dressing. Now, in the description below, I'm going to put the original dressing recipe that I typically use for this broccoli salad. It is 1 cup of mayo, 1/4 cup of white sugar, and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. I mix that together, toss that in the salad. However, I'm not a big fan of mayo, and I've got 2 alternatives for you if you are not mayo people either. Creamy poppy seed dressing goes really well with this broccoli salad, and so does sweet Vidalia onion dressing. And this is the one I'm actually going to use today. They both have a nice light creamy flavor texture to them, and I'm going to do about 1 cup of it. I am going to use a little cup here. You don't want too much dressing, but you want enough. That should be about right. If you're looking for some other healthy salad ideas, I have a fantastic winter spinach salad recipe. Oh my gosh, I could seriously eat that salad in like 1 day. Makes a big bowl full, but it is so good. I've got all sorts of healthy fruit salads as well. A chickpea salad that's got tomatoes and onions is so yummy. So be sure to check those out. Uh-oh, overboard. Those are to snack on, I guess, right? So basically, you're just going to lightly toss this salad together. Make sure it's all coated nicely in the dressing. And then you're going to want to store it chilled in the refrigerator. And then serve it there right along with your dinner, or take it to your potluck gathering. Put this in my bowl. I'm going to set some of this aside for husband's lunch, take to work meal prepping. But there we go, you guys. We have our super easy, healthy broccoli side salad. Hope you all like this recipe. We'll see you next time.